Hello, good evening. Sob ke Nagaland Times News Channel te welcome kore ase. Notun thakse kole subscribe aro share kor diwi. Aji la first update te ase Kohima COVID Care Center te Management Authority aro unruly behavior nimite care center te bohi gena ula khan complaint kora khobor pa ase. Reported 22 years old female resident COVID Care Center Mirima Kohima bra discharge kora report hesab tu care center te COVID norms tu balbra follow up na kure koina khobor te koi dise. Our statement has up to patient khan group kurgena kotha kuri card khel thake kunba tu drinks kure aro tobacco product alag room te manga baju kuri thake koina khobor pa hasab update kuri dia ase COVID Care Center te. Next update te ase Ajisri Jacob Jimombra Twitter high frequency x-ray machine district hospital Dimapur COVID-19 designated te donate kuri dise. Khobor te machine tu Dimapur DC CMO aro alag staff khan thaki na donate kuri dise. Statement te donate machine bra requirement nimite useful hobole biswas ase koina khoborte koi dise aro aji deputy chief minister Y Patan to Dimapur press club aro DRP Nagaland ke lukuri gena mask hand sanitizer glove aro financial aid to handover kuri dise Y Patan statement te media khan bra important role loi public ke inform kure aro misinformation shield kuri pandemic ke fight kura ase koina address kuri dise. Next ase itutu shocking news ase UPT 22 years old makitu tala within debra within to cancel kuri dise. Report has up to 22 years old Priya Raj Tikri village UP state te tala grumbra satikan logina drinks kura pichete within celebrate kurubole ahan nimite within to cancel kuri dise. Khobor has up to within celebration te mudu khaigena maki ke jamula ceremony sur nokra ke te dance kurubi koina force kuri thakise. Itu karni bride family khan tu police ke mati ke na within to cancel kurubole jonai dise. Police aha pichete issue to fasla kuri loise marriage proposal cancel kurubole. Aro within nimite gift khan pi wapas kurubole kotha kurlo ke na cancel kura khoborte update kuri dia ase. Tate et kuri dibole mon thakya tu mota khan kun holepi mudu khai na berai thakya tu mati khan tu pasa nai aro moreover mudu kha tu health issue karni bal na itu karni avoid kurubole koi dia ase. Next ase Reverend Dr. S. Yavito Jimo Senior Pastor Sumi Baptist Church Zineboto Jakali Rochilo Hospital Zineboto ra last breath hoi jase hemoglobin level low ha nimite. Dr. Reverend Yavito tu ex-executive secretary S. Beke Nitomon Zineboto aro ex-senior pastor Zineboto te kuri aise aro aji funeral service tu Sumi Baptist Church Zineboto te rakhi loise. Advisor School Education ke to ka sakalu tu sudden dismiss te condolence message family aro their and loved ones kan ke koi dise aro funeral program tu Facebook te live stream kuri dia khobor te update kuri dia ase. Next ase notun Delhi unlock te ajibra relaxation tu market mall aro bishi khola shuru hoi jase. Reported Chief Minister Arvind lead government national capital to COVID cases kumti hoi thaka nimite lockdown restriction to relax kuri dise. Khobor te curfew to still extend kura ase hule people restriction kuri thakya tu ajibra kholi dise market shopping mall aro office services khan. National capital Sunday record to 381 te nami jaise aro Delhi metro operation to May 10 bra ban kuri na thakya resume kuri dise. Next ase aji tu cricket lovers khan karni bad news ase aro sport lovers khan ke advice pi kuri ase. Khobor hesab tu cricketer Oli Robinson to international cricket pra suspend kuri dise racist and sexist social media te post kuri dia nimite. Oli Robinson to England bra suspend kuri dise tala message racist aro sexist natural post Twitter account te post kuri dia nimite. First day of test comments to 2012-13 H18 bra social media te sur happy khobor te koi thakise. To discover to tabra t-shirt racism, sexism, transphobia, homophobia message khan likhi pukhi thakya nimite investigation to witness te bra shuru hoi jase. Inland duty khan investigation to pentin te ase aro tai tu June 10 te New Zealand logo test kurubole thakya pi cancel kuri dise disciplinary action nimite. Investigation fesla hob chete Robinson to join kurubole parbo koina khobor pa hesab update kuri dia ase. Tu dangor example ase as a civilized society mo khan sub racism words khan tu kapra te nelkhibo lage aro na pukhibole lage koina advice kuri ase. Next ase India COVID-19 cases to hotai nami ja ase aji la latest update kuri dibo. Aji Union Health Minister report hesab to India COVID-19 within 24 hours de last 2 months rabi kumti hoi jase 1,636 notun cases 1,74,399 discharge আৰু 2,427 death record হৈ যাইছে এতিয়া ইণ্ডিয়া যে total confirmed cases to 2,89,09,975 recover bra 2,71,59,180 active case bra 14,01,619 nami jaise aru murja to ole 3,49,609 hoi ja khoborte update kuri dia ase isi deri na loye na public kan ke lockdown tu kholi dibo koina dangor biswas kuri ase aji lalas update dia ase aji live anibole thakya khan khata bra update kuri dibo Report hesab tu আজি sam 5 bajite Prime Minister Modi tu nation ke address kuribole ase Twitter report hesab tu itu address tu India te COVID-19 tu kamti hoi ja nimite address kuribole ase koina khobor pa ase Sports news hesab tu আজি Sunil Chhetri lead kuriena FIFA World Cup qualify nimite আজি sam 7 baje adate India football team aro Bangladesh khan khelibole ase Jo TV Star Sports aro Hotstar te live anibole ase আৰু আজিলা আপডেট ইয়াতে পৰা খতম কৰা আছে সব মানুহ টেক কেয়াৰ ষ্টে সেফ